Good evening, girls. Today we are going to see about nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So as you all know very well, the quadratic equation of the form will be having in the pass of 2. Okay. For example, x square plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0, which comes under quadratic equation. Okay. So here also we have the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0, and where a not equal to 0. And last week we studied how to find the values, that is x value, using formula method as well as t method. Okay. Using formula method means x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, using this formula. Okay. What about this b square minus 4ac? This b square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant. This is a new term what you are learning. B square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant, and it is denoted by a small triangle. ஓகே, அந்த டிஸ்கிரிமினண்ட்டை வந்துட்டு ஒரு சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிளால் நம்ம வந்து டினோட் பண்ணுவோம். புரியுதாமா? ஓகே. நவ் இதுக்கு ஒரு டேப்லர் காலம், அதாவது ஒரு பாக்ஸ் ஒன்று போட்டு இதை வந்து நீ வந்து ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணிக்கணும். யூ ஹாவ் டு ரிமெம்பர் திஸ் டு டூ த சம். ஓகே. இப்போ சப்போஸ் இந்த மாதிரி உனக்கு இது யூ வில் பி ஹேவிங் குவாட்ரேட்டிக் ஈக்குவேஷன் given to you, and they may ask you to find the nature of the roots. ஓகே. அப்போ வந்து what you need to do is, suppose if the discriminant value is greater than 0, அப்போ greater than 0 நாலே you know very well definitely it will be positive integer. அப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா you have to write the nature of the roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Okay. Suppose discriminant equal to 0 அப்படின்னு வந்துருச்சுன்னா real and equal roots. Suppose the discriminant is less than 0, that means negative. Okay, negative values. அப்படி வந்ததுன்னா no real roots. Okay, like that you have to write the nature of the roots. Okay, so that you have to remember, if discriminant is greater than 0 na real and unequal roots. Discriminant equal to 0 means real and equal roots. Discriminant is less than 0 means no real roots. This you have to keep it in your memory. Okay, so we'll get inside exercise 3.13. Okay, determine the nature of the roots for the following quadratic equation. 15x square plus 11x plus 2 equal to 0. As I have told, the quadratic equation in your book itself, what is that given? Ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. And a takes the value 15, and b takes the value 11, and c takes the value 2. Okay. Discriminant, that is, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is your b? 11 square minus 4. a இருக்கிற இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு? 15. அப்போ into 15. c இருக்கிற இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு? 2 இருக்கு. அப்போ into 2. அப்போ இந்த வேல்யூவை அப்படியே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. multiply பண்ணா I'll be getting 120. 11 square you know very well, 121. So 121 minus 120, which is equal to 1. Now what are you getting? This discriminant, which is equal to 1. Okay, that means this discriminant which is greater than 0, so what about the nature of the roots? Real and unequal roots. Okay, real and unequal roots. Okay, let's go to the second sum. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, and c which is equal to minus 1. Discriminant which is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is your b? Minus 1 whole square minus 4 of, what is your a? A is 1. What about your c? Minus 1. Okay, and when you multiply, minus into minus will become plus. Minus 1 whole square will be 1. 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. Okay, so the discriminant which is equal to 5, again I can say that this discriminant is greater than 0. That means what? as I said, greater than 0 நாலே அது பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ தான் வரும். அப்போ ரியல் அண்ட் unequal roots. Okay, then third question, root 2 t square minus 3t plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. The value of A is root 2. The value of B is minus 3. The value of C is 3 root 2. Okay. And what is the formula? Discriminant which is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is your B value? Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into A oda value என்ன? root 2. Okay. C oda value என்ன? 3 root 2. Already I told you. Okay. ரூட்டுக்குள்ளார ஒரே நம்பர் இருக்கிறப்ப அதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறப்ப ரூட் கேன்சல் ஆகிடும் அப்படின்னு நான் வந்து always I used to tell my children, those who have done with me in 9th standard, they will be knowing. Okay, so root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3, root 5 into root 5 is 5. Okay, so root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, 4 into 3 is 12, so 12 2s are 24. So different sign when you subtract will be getting minus value. So automatically discriminant which is less than 0. So what is the nature of the root? No real root. What you have to write? No real root. Okay, and then